My name is Edgar Arceneaux. I'm an artist based in LA. Yeah, I'm sitting here in a studio in Minneapolis, the white wall behind me. Typically when I'm working, I tend to take three elements and bring them together. Usually some history that I'm inspired to explore, something that's bigger than my own story. The second part is some personal connection, some personal experience that I feel is analogous to this larger history. And then there's some kind of material process. So I'm always kind of thinking about the material as content itself. More than 10 years ago, I made a note to myself after I made a discovery, really by accident, that the silver that's applied to the glass does peel off. I started focusing on the material part, which is just what could a mirror do if I stripped it from the glass. One of the things that really bothered me about it was how fragile the glass was. Just knocking one corner and then the whole thing is kind of, meant to be thrown away. And I just found myself being fascinated that certain patterns could be produced just by breaking the mirror. What happens is that I'll take a mirror and I'll strip it from the back so all of its backing paint is gone, and then the silver is exposed. So I'll paint on that, scratch into it, break it, and then at the end I'll lay a canvas on the back, and then once that's dry or at different stages of drying, then I'll peel it off. Then the silver comes off, but sometimes it stays on the glass. So you can never really predict what it's gonna do. But it wasn't until one day after I was nursing my mom. My mother had been diagnosed with dementia well before I started on this painting process. It was a particularly difficult day where she didn't want to cooperate, she didn't want to eat, anyway, it was just a hard day. I put her to bed and then I went to the studio. And then I peeled this one canvas. And then I realized this connection, even though it wasn't my intention, that the skin of the silver became reminiscent of her skin on her own body. The way that when you have dementia that you stop eating, so the muscle starts to slowly separate from your bones, and there's a certain kind of sagginess to it. And the paintings were expressing all of these elements that were so analogous to my mother's decline that it just kind of struck me like a kind of a lightning bolt that something that's completely immaterial to my mother's well-being could somehow be speaking to the same experience, So when people experience the work, I'm hoping that they see the scars and the scrapes in the surface of it as being more reflective of like a true identity, because the figure is you, right? If you get close enough to it, you see yourself.